Well, it's been a boiling hot week in Brussels this week, like it has been everywhere else. We've had the start of the negotiations between the UK government and the EU about leaving the EU, of course. I launched a report this week on keeping our European citizenship, which has got a lot of attention. And we've also had a hearing in the Culture Committee on how leaving the EU is going to affect our cultural and creative industries. And here to witness all of this week is Jessica Rees from Wales. Jessica, where are you from? And tell us a bit about what you're doing.
I'm from Crickhowell. I'm currently a student at Swans University, and this is the end of my Erasmus year abroad. I've been studying here in Brussels.
Erasmus is one of the schemes, of course, which has been most popular through the European Union. Can you tell us a bit about it, about your experience?
It's just allowed me to discover new cultures and languages, and people from all over Europe. We all come together, speak in one language, not normally our native languages, and just making new friends and discovering new countries.
So you've enjoyed your time in Brussels. I know you were soon going back to Wales. What are your plans for the future, and how do you see that within Europe?
I've got 1 year of study left to do, and then I'm hoping to be able to come back to Europe and work using skills that I've picked up, and just, yeah.
Do you like the European Parliament? Have you enjoyed your short experience here?
I really enjoyed it here. It's opened my eyes to the finer details of what everybody does here in Brussels, and makes you want to come back.
I hope you will. Good. Thank you for joining us this week.